Sawubona and welcome to our last video in our Zulu Basic series brought to you by ZuluMites. You all enjoy learning and practicing isiZulu, so I'm going to give you some useful phrases when dealing with fluent isiZulu speakers. First, to ask someone to speak slowly, simply say "Khuluma ungasheshi," and hopefully they will. To say I'm still learning to speak Zulu, you say ngisafunda ukukhuluma isiZulu. Or to say I speak a little Zulu, you can say ngikhuluma isiZulu kancane. From this, you can see that khuluma means to talk, funda is to learn or read, and ncane means small or little. Hope this has helped and this series has encouraged you to speak more Zulu and enjoy just a little bit. Hamba kahle!